coffee with curd is not dangerous or toxic, but it is a very common trigger for acute stomach irritation, bloating, acid reflux, and cramps. While the combination will not cause permanent damage or poisoning, the opposing chemical properties of these two foods can severely disrupt your normal digestive process. Here is a breakdown of why this combination hurts your stomach and how to manage the discomfort. Why it causes stomach pain, acid overload. Coffee is highly acidic and triggers your stomach to produce excess gastric acid. Curd is also acidic due to its lactic acid content. When combined, especially on an empty stomach, they can irritate the stomach lining, causing heartburn and a burning sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains caffeine, which accelerates gut motility, the speed of digestion, and can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing acid to travel upward. Curd is heavy and takes longer to break down. This conflict often leads to incomplete digestion, resulting in gas, severe bloating, and abdominal cramps. Nutrient malabsorption. The tannins and caffeine present in your coffee can actively bind to and interfere with the absorption of the essential minerals and calcium found in curd. Lactose sensitivity. If you have an underlying sensitivity to dairy, coffee can worsen the symptoms of lactose intolerance, leading to immediate nausea, gassiness, or bathroom urgency. How to prevent and manage the discomfort. The 2-hour spacing rule. To safely enjoy both, space them out. Healthcare guides suggest waiting at least 1.5 to 2 hours after consuming curd before drinking your cup of coffee. Hydrate to dilute. Drink a large glass of lukewarm water to help dilute the accumulated acid in your stomach and soothe the irritated lining. Switch to low-acid brews. If you have a sensitive stomach, try changing your routine to cold brew coffee or a darker roast, which naturally contains fewer stomach-irritating acids. Avoid an empty stomach. Never have this combination first thing in the morning. Eat a light, neutral buffer beforehand, such as whole grain toast or oatmeal, to absorb the excess stomach acid. When to seek medical attention. While standard bloating and mild cramping pass within a few hours, you should see a doctor immediately if you experience red flag symptoms such as persistent vomiting, inability to keep fluids down, black or tarry stools, or severe, sharp abdominal pain that worsens over time. To help narrow this down, are you experiencing other symptoms like heartburn, nausea, or diarrhea? Knowing when you consume them, e.g., empty stomach, would also help. Combining coffee and curd is not inherently dangerous or life-threatening. Butyrate is a notorious trigger for intense stomach aches, acid reflux, and severe bloating. While it will not permanently damage your organs, the way these two substances interact creates a perfect storm for gastrointestinal distress. How the body processes coffee and curd together. 1. The acid double whammy. Coffee contains chlorogenic acids and caffeine, both of which signal your stomach lining to overproduce hydrochloric acid. Curd yogurt is naturally acidic and sour due to lactic acid. Introducing both simultaneously overwhelms the stomach with high acidity, leading to a painful, burning sensation, heartburn, or acid reflux. The protein curdling effect. The extreme acid environment generated by the coffee can cause the proteins, casein, in the curd to rapidly coagulate and form dense, heavy clumps in your stomach. This sudden change makes the food highly resistant to smooth digestion, causing it to sit heavy and ferment in your gut. Slowing versus speeding gut motility. Caffeine acts as a major gastrointestinal stimulant, causing the muscles of your colon to contract rapidly and push food through too fast. Conversely, curd is a heavy, dense dairy product that takes a long time to break down. This conflicting signal causes painful stomach cramps, gurgling, and indigestion. Sphincter relaxation. Caffeine naturally relaxes the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle valve separating your food pipe from your stomach. With the valve relaxed, the highly acidic, curdled mixture easily splashes upward into your esophagus, causing severe burning and nausea. Lactose and additive sensitivities. If you have any underlying, mild lactose intolerance or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, this chaotic mix severely aggravates the gut flora, triggering sudden diarrhea, trapped gas, and sharp abdominal pain. Safe consumption practice to enjoy both without pain. Medical and holistic experts recommend separating them. Allow at least 1.5 to 2 hours of sleep.